I notice quietness. You know, the insulated windows make it quieter. The heat of the last week hasn't been a problem, even though we're on the south side, and I often forget actually to open a window because it seems so comfortable. But the air circulation when we do and the ease of opening them has been good, so we're pleased with that. It was a project that involved all of us, the cooperation of everybody. We had an excellent committee working on it, and communication to each owner throughout the project was key for us understanding and being interested in how things went. And now that it's completed, we're looking forward to getting the garden back into shape and enjoying our new enclosures and balconies.